Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can export chat history on Telegram. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to start, open your Telegram app. Make sure that you open it on your desktop or your laptop. Now after that, choose the conversation that you want to export. Now for example, this conversation. So now to export the conversation or the chat history, what I'm going to do is just to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then you can see this option, Export Chat History. But for security reasons, we're not be able to see the export option. But if you tap on that three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you can see the option Export Chat History. And then it will automatically export your data. But you can see right here at the top, exporting your data. So it means that it works. So when you do this, when you export your chat history, make sure that you do this on your desktop or your laptop. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.